Today on Yaesu Airband Bite Size, we're going to talk about how to configure your Yaesu FTA 250L to work with a normal GA headset. The first thing we need to do is to plug in your GA headset into the SU15 headset adapter. There are two connections, a large one and a small one. We plug the large one for the earphones into the large connector, and then the smaller microphone connector plugs in to the smaller socket. The next thing we need to do is to remove the protective cover from the side of your radio. If you turn the radio on its side, you will notice the cover here. There are two screws which can be undone with either a screwdriver or perhaps a coin. So we undo both and then we can remove the cover. And this reveals the socket at which you can plug the SU15. So we take the SU15 cable, we plug it in, and then we can tighten up the two screws. Again, using your hands and perhaps a screwdriver or a coin just to tighten them fully up. The next thing we need to do is make a couple of changes to the settings to enable it to use the microphone on the headset, and also to give you some side tone so you can hear yourself. So the first thing we want to do is hold main set, and then we want to select COM, and then we want to go down until we get to mic select, and then we press enter. So what we're going to do now is select external microphone, so we just go up and then we press enter, and now that selects the external microphone. And then if we go down to side tone and we press enter, you can then, by using the up and down arrows, you can select an appropriate level of side tone. You might want to start with level 2 and see how you go. Then you press enter, and that saves the side tone setting. And then if you press the PTT button, that just gets you back to the frequency display. Rather than trying to use the internal PTT of your FTA 250, you may prefer to use an external PTT switch. A number of manufacturers make these, including this one here, which is a Pilot PA50. It has a PTT switch which you can fix onto the aircraft, and it has a plug and socket which connect to the microphone connection. So the first thing we do is we unplug the microphone. We plug the microphone plug from the headset into the PTT switch socket, and then we take the microphone connection from the PTT switch and plug it into the SU15. And now when you press the PTT, your radio will transmit.